Let's define some integers in terms of temperature. Let's think of these signs, like positive, as meaning hot. So an adjective and not a verb. So this +2, let's think of that as too hot. That's a positive term. Underneath that, we're taking away 3 cold. And when you take away 3 cold, like you take away 3 ice cubes, you make it warmer. This is actually a positive term. And we can rewrite it in a simpler form by saying +3 or 3 hot. Because when you take 3 cold away, it makes it hotter. Okay, here's a complex term, adding 4 hot. Well, that will make it hotter. That's a positive term as well. It will make it hotter by 4. Okay, negative terms. That's a straight up 2 cold things. Pretty simple. This is a complex term. I'm taking away 3 hot. Well, it would be like turning off 3 furnaces or making it colder by 3. That's a negative term. -3. When you take away cold, when you take away hot, you make it colder. Down here we're adding 3 cold. Just like if you're adding 3 ice cubes to your drink, you will indeed make it colder by 3. Alright, let's see that within a large expression and try to make these complicated terms or complex terms into simple terms and then combine them. So the first thing I'm going to do is circle the terms with a colored pencil, either red or blue. As we talked before, taking away 3 cold will actually make it hotter. This is too cold. That's a negative term. And I'm looking at this +2. That means 2 hot things. Alright, so let's rewrite these in terms of simple terms. So we've got taking away 3 cold. That's the same as saying it's hotter by 3. This stays too cold. This stays too hot. The next step we're going to do is commute. We're going to move things together to gather all the hot things and gather all the cold things. Now it looks like there's more hot things than cold things, so I'm going to gather the hot things to the left. I have 3 hot and 2 hot. I also have 2 cold. Now the next step is to combine all the hot things. 3 hots and 2 hots make 5 hot things, along with the 2 cold things. Now, are there more hot things or cold things? There are more hot things. How many hot things? Well, 3. So this entire expression is worth +3 or 3 hot.